Voiceover. Welcome to British News, your trusted source for the most important and impactful stories from around the globe. We're dedicated to bringing you unbiased, in-depth coverage on a wide array of topics, from politics and science to culture and human rights. Voiceover. Today, in our main feature, we delve into an unfolding controversy that has gripped the United States, a battle fought in courtrooms and on the streets, a debate that has divided the nation, stirring emotions and beliefs of millions. It's the story of a pill, a simple yet powerful medication known as mifepristone. Voiceover. A federal judge in Texas is at the epicenter of this storm, deliberating over a lawsuit that could potentially block the use of medication abortion nationwide. The case has drawn attention from various parties, including Democratic and Republican state attorneys general, each with their own stance on the issue. Voiceover. So buckle up, dear viewers, as we take you through the twists and turns of this controversial case. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at how this controversy unfolds. Have you ever wondered how a seemingly simple pill could spark a nationwide debate, stirring the emotions and beliefs of millions? Welcome to the story of mifepristone, a medication at the heart of a controversial abortion case in the United States. In the early months of 2023, a federal judge in Texas deliberated over a lawsuit seeking to block the use of medication abortion nationwide. Anti-abortion advocates challenged the approval of mifepristone, the first drug in medication abortion. This lawsuit aimed to withdraw FDA approval of mifepristone and misoprostol, targeting recent FDA moves to make the pills more accessible. The FDA and the drug company Danco argued against the injunction, emphasizing the potential impact on patients, doctors, and businesses. The case drew attention from various parties, including Democratic and Republican state attorneys general, with differing stances on the issue. Abortion rights advocates warned of significant harm if the lawsuit succeeded, affecting millions of women across the US. Fast forward to May of 2022, a leaked draft Supreme Court opinion on Roe v. Wade sparked concerns about potential overturning of the landmark abortion rights case. Various states enacted laws to either restrict or protect abortion access, with some having trigger bans ready to go into effect if Roe was overturned. The Supreme Court was set to review a controversial abortion case involving the blocking of a key medication abortion drug in April 2023. The case raised questions about legal standing, timeliness of challenges, and the authority of federal agencies in public health matters. The decision, if upheld, could significantly restrict access to abortion, leading to concerns about patient confusion and health risks. Today, we find ourselves in the midst of a hearing taking place in the Supreme Court, determining the availability of mifepristone. Pro-life groups and doctors in Texas claimed that the regulatory approval of the drug and subsequent revisions making it more widely available were flawed. This is the first abortion case to come to the conservative-dominated Supreme Court since it overturned the landmark Roe v. Wade judgment that had guaranteed women's right to terminate a pregnancy. The outcome could, in effect, outlaw abortions even in states that have not chosen to ban abortions. So, we find ourselves asking, what is the future of abortion rights in the United States? And what is the fate of the millions of women whose lives are directly impacted by this decision? The stakes are high, and the eyes of the nation are on the Supreme Court. The decision will not only shape the future of abortion rights, but also the autonomy and authority of the FDA. The ripple effect of this case is far-reaching, affecting a broad range of organizations and people. Now, we wait. We wait for the summer when we expect to see the court's decision. This case is about more than mifepristone. It's about women's rights, healthcare, and the very fabric of our society. So, we encourage you to stay informed, delve deeper into the intricacies of this case, and understand its potential impact. The fate of mifepristone and the fate of millions of women hangs in the balance.